How to invite friends to KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can add or invite friends to KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open the KakaoTalk application on your device. Now you can see this icon right here at the top. Just tap on this icon right here, the add friend icon. Now you can see invite option right here. Tap on invite. Now once you tap on invite, you will get three options. You can just send SMS to them, or you can just tap on other apps and send the invitation link from there. You can choose any option. You can also choose the messenger to send the invitation link. You can also send it to Snapchat. Once you send the link, they will get the link and they can open the link and accept your invitation from there. You can also see invite friends right here. So tap on any of the options right here and invite your friends like that. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.